Hi, my name is Nate Wu. Today, on this video, on behalf of FEG Freedom Equity Group, I want to teach you guys about how to protect yourself through life insurance and how to grow your cash value and how you can protect your family and your generations and on and on. So today, I want to teach you guys about FNG, Fidelity and Guarantee. This specific company is located in Des Moines, Iowa. That's where the headquarters is, and it's called Fidelity and Guarantee. Fidelity and Guarantee. And moving on to the next page, just for you guys to understand why people need life insurance. There's so many life insurances. Life insurance such as whole life, universal life, term. There's so much more life insurance that you can think of. And life insurance has been around since probably the 40s, 50s, back long ago. We can't even imagine that it came a long time ago. So life insurance is not a scam. It's been here for ages and ages. Why do people need life insurance? Why? You ask yourself why people need it, or why do you need it? People don't want it, but they need it to protect themselves. They need it. There's two different keys between wanting something and needing something. Need something for permanent. Want is you want something for maybe a certain amount of period of time, and those are the two words. So people need life insurance. So why do people need it? Because first of all, you have people who die too soon, kids, adults, seniors. Out of those three categories, anyone could die too soon. Who knows what's going to happen today, tomorrow, the next day, a week after, a month later, a year later. And then so the next person is people who get sick. People get sick for weeks, months, days, years, or longer, depending on what kind of sickness it is. And the next person is people who live too long. Some people live up to age 80, 90. Some people even live up to age 100, maybe 101, 102, who knows? You never know. I don't know. Nobody knows. So out of those three people, this life insurance, it protects you, your family, everybody in your household. So, and the next key thing is this life insurance, FNG, is tax-free benefits. So when you take out, let's say 50 to 100K, whatever your whatever your amount is of the death benefit, you can claim it all tax-free benefit. It's much more easier and better than 401K. When you take money out of 401K, let's say you take it out early, you might take it out, let's say at age 40. They might take like 10% penalty, state tax, federal tax, all kinds of tax, and you don't want that. Cause let's say you have 60,000 in your 401k, and let's say you only get back 20,000. You're asking yourself, where is the rest of my money, right? Well, Uncle Sam took your money, so remember that. And in this life insurance, tax-free benefit. Keep that in mind. So, moving on to the next page, we have one page with 4 covers. The first one is base amount death benefit. Let's say a client buys a life insurance for $200,000 or $500,000, and they pass away. Let's say they get it today and they pass away a couple years later. Now they fall under that category. So let's say the death benefit, it goes to the family members, whoever is in the beneficiary. Then the second we have is the saving account cash value. So every year, this life insurance, it gives you 7.63% to be exact. So your interest rate is at 7.63% interest. Number 3, accelerated living benefits. I guess you guys didn't know that, right? We have accelerated living benefits. We need benefits, right? But we don't want to wait to die. We don't want to wait and die and not use our life insurance, right? So we have terminal, critical, and chronic. Terminal is something doctor says you have 2 years or less to live, or something like that. Then you can claim fully 100% before you pass away. Okay? And then critical. So critical. heart attack, stroke, cancer. Those three are like the major things in the United States, especially heart attack. 75% of people have heart attack. And so, such as stroke, cancer, ALS. ALS is white blood attacking red cell. Major burns, like if your house gets on fire, you get burned very bad. Arterial aneurysm, central nervous system tumor, like a tumor in your brain. Major organ transplant, if you have to transplant your organs or something like that in your body. And paralyzed, end-stage renal failure. If you have any of those, you can claim your death benefit 100%. And the third one is chronic. Chronic is some people get sick a long time, like I said, months, years, who knows. And let's say you have a job and you can't go to work, right? You can't go to work and you're chronically ill. Now who's gonna pay your rent? Who's gonna pay your bills, medical bills, or whatever bills? Nobody, right? But if you have this life insurance, they will pay for everything that you need. Now number 4 is retirement income. Some people don't have retirement plans. That's why you see some people on the streets, homeless, because they don't have a retirement plan. Why? Because they never thought about putting money in something that's gonna go towards their future, their plans of retirement, and they try to depend on Social Security, and Social Security is just not enough. So this life insurance gives you all those type of covers. Just a quick page of people who it's as you guys can see, accelerated living benefits. These are people who did not pass away and who got their self checks because they're still living. You can see all of them. And that's what I wanted to tell you guys today about this video, and I hope you guys understand what I just said. If you guys need more questions, if you guys need more questions or anything like that, feel free to text me, email me, contact me, and I'll give you guys better explanation